Welcome to our tutorial on the %trim function in IBM RPGLE programming. Today, we'll explore how to efficiently manipulate strings by removing unnecessary spaces or specified characters using this powerful built-in function. The %trim function is straightforward, designed to trim both leading and trailing spaces or specified characters from a string. Let's dive into an example with two strings, str1 and str2. Using %trim without specified characters. res1 equals %trim str1. Here, %trim str1 removes leading and trailing spaces from str1. After trimming str1, the result res1 will display as RPGLE. Now, trimming with specified characters from str2. Here, %trim str2. $* removes leading and trailing $* signs from str2. After trimming specified characters from str2, the result res2 will display as 5.27 *******. Thank you for joining us today to learn about the %trim function in IBM RPGLE by programmers.io. This function is crucial for maintaining data integrity and optimizing string manipulation operations. We hope this tutorial has been informative and helpful for your RPGLE programming journey.